1. Introduction to American English Writing. American English writing is often clear and direct. Writers try to communicate their ideas in a simple way. They use short sentences to make the message easy to understand. American writers focus on the main point and avoid too many extra details. This style is common in everyday writing, like emails, messages, and reports. It makes reading easier and helps the reader understand the purpose quickly. 2. Sentence structure. In American English, sentences usually follow a basic order: subject, verb, and object. For example, I like coffee, or she reads a book. This structure helps readers understand the meaning right away. In other languages, the sentence structure may be different. By practicing this order, English learners can understand and use it more naturally. 3. Using I statements. American English writers often use I statements to show personal opinions, like I think, I believe, or in my opinion. This style makes the writing sound more personal and shows the writer's thoughts directly. It also feels open and clear to the reader. It helps readers understand the writer's point of view easily. 4. Simple words and phrases. American English writing often uses simple words and phrases, especially in daily communication. For example, people might say buy instead of purchase, or help instead of assist. This makes the writing easy to understand for everyone. Simple language makes the main message clear and direct. 5. Logical flow. American English writing usually has a clear structure with a beginning, middle, and end. A paragraph might start with the main idea, then give examples or details, and finally have a conclusion. This helps the reader follow the message easily and understand each point. Organizing ideas in a logical way makes it easier for readers to understand and remember the information. 6. Conclusion. In summary, American English writing is clear, direct, and focuses on the main message. Writers use a simple sentence order, I statements, and easy words to communicate. They also organize their ideas in a logical way. These features make American English writing easy to understand for readers, especially those learning English. Practicing these writing styles can help English learners improve their skills and feel more confident in understanding and using English.